Welcome to While You Were Pooping, where you can learn fun facts in just the time it takes you to number 2. If you enjoy the show, rate, subscribe, and share with a friend. The more you share, the more we can bring to you. Today, we're biting into a topic that touches all of us: seasonal appetite. Ever notice how you crave salads in summer but can't resist soups in the winter? Let's chew over why our eating habits shift with the weather.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
Seasonal appetite isn't just about food trends. It's a physiological response influenced by environmental changes. As the seasons turn, so do our body's needs and responses, driven by factors like temperature, daylight hours, and even our biological rhythms. In warmer months, the body tends to crave lighter meals. This is partly because we need less energy to keep warm. Foods like fruits, salads, and grilled meats are not only refreshing, but require less metabolic energy to digest. Plus, with longer daylight hours, we're likely to be more active and prefer foods that won't weigh us down. Come winter, the story changes. Our calorie needs increase as the body burns more energy to stay warm. This could be why we lean towards richer, calorie-dense foods like stews, hearty grains, and hot beverages. The shorter days and less sunlight can also affect our mood and energy levels, pushing our cravings towards comfort foods that boost serotonin, a mood-enhancing chemical in the brain. But there's a cultural layer too. Many of our seasonal eating habits are shaped by local food availability and cultural traditions surrounding the seasons. Think about the pumpkin spice in the fall, or the summer barbecues. These patterns are etched into our cultural DNA, influencing our food choices on a deeper level. Interestingly, research suggests that our gut microbiome also changes with the seasons, influenced by our altered diet, which in turn affects how the food is digested and nutrients are absorbed. It's a fascinating feedback loop between what we eat, how we digest, and how it ultimately affects our health. So, whether you're sipping a smoothie in July or ladling out gravy in January, remember, your body's cravings are finely tuned to the rhythms of nature. Eating with the seasons isn't just delicious, it's also aligned with our biological needs. Hey, thanks for listening to While You Were Pooping. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to rate, subscribe, and most importantly, share it with a friend. Your support keeps us uncovering more fascinating facts every day. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.